Good morning, students. Last class we had studied about reproduction health. In that we had seen about the population. Today we will continue the next topic, that is amniocentesis, that means the pre-examination in sex determination. Okay, by that we can come to know that what is the condition of the offspring and what all things are present within the fetus. Along with that, children, we will come to know that what is the sex of that particular offspring. Okay, children. So in earlier days, that is when the medical science had not developed so much, this one is actually regular in use, because you people are knowing that earlier, as in our country, the male child is dominating child or the boy child is dominating child. So that's why the parents used to curious to know that what will be the offspring, whether the girl or boy. If the boy will be there, then they are ready to accept. If the girls are there, then they will undertake for the abortion purpose. And due to that, so many problems are going to occur in the mother body. Children, how the process will be carried out? Inside the fetus, children, one type of fluid is present, that is known as your amniotic fluid, and that fluid is going to be taken inside the, means a small quantity will be taken out by the help of syringe, and they will do the further diagnosis under the laboratory condition, and there they will come to know that what all the chemical composition is there, whether they are in a fixed ratio or they are in abnormal condition or they are more in number. Okay, children, so that they will check. After that, family planning of birth control, what it is, children, for that so many measures had been taken. As you people are knowing that India is highly populated country. So here what happens, the government had took so many measures to control the population, and they had spread so many scientific knowledge and the development regarding the medical science. Many diseases had been occurred in earlier days which controls the population. But now what happens, as the technology had developed, due to the modern technology, the death rate automatically it had been reduced and the population is going on increasing. So for that, the important measures they had taken, that is the family planning. If there will be less number of children in a family, definitely the population will be decreased. For that, to control the population, two measures they are taken. First one is your natural method, another one is your artificial or scientific method. When we talk about the natural method, it will be carried out by the nature itself. By the nature itself means naturally it will be carried out. Okay. Then artificial method, so many medical science had been developed, so many type of pills or any type of measures we are taking, that will be your artificial or scientific method. See children, one ray diagram is given. Birth control, two measures, natural method, artificial method. Natural method, periodic abstention, courteous interpretus, then lactation, amenorrhea. So these are the natural method. Then when we talk about the artificial method here, contraceptive, sterilization and medical termination. These are your artificial scientific method. Okay. When we talk about the contraceptive, here two type of contraceptive is provided. One is your oral contraceptive, another one is your contraceptive device. Oral contraceptive, definitely children, it will be on pills. Then contraceptive device, it may be of two types, IUCD, that is the copper T, or barrier contraceptive, there we can use the condoms and so and so. Then sterilization method, vasectomy and tubertomy, that will be in male and female. Then medical termination, that will be your abortion. We will see little bit in detail. Avoidance of sex, that is you people are knowing that after the menstruation phase, that is 4-5 days menstruation phase is going to occur. After that, from day 10 to day 17, the ovulation is expected, and during that time it is highly fertilization period for the conceiving purpose. So during that time the intercourse should be avoided. Then next children, the penis, that is the semen, what is going to be excreted out that should be removed out before or after the copulation. Okay, then lactation during the menstruation do not occurs during the lactation period, when the child will completely feed from the mother, so the lactation will be carried out, and during that time the chance of pregnancy will be almost nil. Next method is children artificial or scientific method. The first important one is your contraceptive. This is of two types, oral contraceptive and your contraceptive device. When we talk about the oral contraceptive, here we used to take the pills, that may be steroids, that is estrogen and progesterone. Generally it is made up of two hormones, estrogens and progestrogens. It controls your hypothalamic pituitary ovary, and after that this pill will not implant the fertilized egg. Okay children, they will move here and there. But these pills are having certain bad effects, such as your including clotting or disorder of the blood or the breast cancer and so and so. Then contraceptive device children. This device is used to prevent fertilization of ovum and sperms. It includes IUCD, full form is very important, that is intraurinary contraceptive device. So this prevents your fertilization. It is a copper T or the loop-like structure which makes the severe pelvic inflammatory disease. Okay, this sometimes fail also, and they are not copper. IUCD is commonly called as copper TS, iodized copper, which slowly diffuses at the area in square mm having copper, and it is multi-load. After that what happened? Different types of names are given. Then barrier contraceptive, in these children we will have certain type of condoms or certain type of barrier agents which will not allow the semen to enter into the vagina. Okay children. Then after that, ideal features of contraceptive. What are the ideal features? The first one, it is user friendly. Second one children, it is available easily. It should not be effective and no side effects are there. These are some of the important features of contraceptive. Then sterilization. Vesicotomy is going to occur in the male, and here there will be a cutting, and tubicotomy it will be occur in female. As you can see, the fallopian tube is going to be cut and it will be tied. Medical termination, that is your abortion. Directly it will be aborted. Then children, the next important topic is your STDs, that is sexually transmitted disease. This disease are going to occur during the intercourse time, and they are known as your venereal disease, such as your AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, then non-gonococcal urethritis, okay, trichomonas. These are some of the name of your sexually transmitted disease. Now we will see in detail about the AIDS. What is AIDS? AIDS is your acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is your acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is very important children, just go through some 2-3 times it had been asked in the board exam. It was discovered first in America in the year 1981, and it is a viral disease. It is going to occur by a virus known as your human cell leukemia virus 3. Okay, which is commonly known as your HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. This AIDS is going to kill the helper T cells, okay, and it activates other lymphocytes and thus short circulating the entire immune system and led to the immune deficiency. Most of the individuals with fully grown AIDS die within 3 years from various infectious disease or cancer. HIV attacks WBC mostly. So children, actually this AIDS cells or the AIDS, it is a syndrome. It is not a disease because it is not attacking any specific organ. It will attack to your immune system. What are the symptoms? The first symptoms, it will swollen the lymph node, then fever, then night sweat, then loss of the weight will be there. Okay. Then after that children, ability to speak, that will be lost, loss of memory will be done. Then after the damage of the brain may occur. Transmission, generally physical contact. Then after that sexual contact, then blood transfusion, than with contaminated needle. How we can prevent? We can prevent that before the transfusion the blood should be tested properly, homosexual contact should be avoided, use of condom should be taken, okay, then use of disposable syringe should be done. Next important disease is your guarnia, very important children, this one also. Guarnia is the causal agent and this one is going to affect your genital duct, okay. A pair of bacteria, it is a bacterial disease, negative, gram-negative bacteria. It will infect your acute urethra and both the sexes. Okay children, both male and female is going to be affected by that. Time period of incubation 2 to 10 days. And in male case, it will be spread to the prostate, testes, mostly all the parts. And in female case, cervix, and later it will spread to the uterus. As well as Bartholin glands also going to be affected that. Sometimes the child of an infected mother shows eye infections. Okay. Then children, it may lead to the female sterility. Means the female will become infertile also. Treatment, some medicines names are given, sulfonamides, antibiotics. Then penicillin is also used for the treatment purpose. Next one children, syphilis. Syphilis, it is also a disease occurred due to the sexual contact. Treponema pallidum is the name of that causal agent. It is very sharp, deep spiral, regular shape. This one is studied in 3 stages: primary stage, secondary stage and tertiary stage. Primary stages, lesions will that is network like. Secondary stage, what will happen children? Multiple lesions will be there. Then tertiary stage, what will happen? It will be going to be lapsed to the several years. Then treatment, it is responsible for the diagnosis made of the serological test. Then after that, next treatment is your arsenical compounds can be used. Then penicillin can be used. Okay, these are certain drugs. After that, some more examples are given: genital herpes, non-gonorrheal urethritis, then trichomonasis. These are 3 different sexually transmitted disease. Okay children. After that children, next important topic is your infertility. What is infertility children? Sometimes the couples are not going to give birth to the offspring. That phenomena is known as your infertility. Okay. Now it is very common as we are having the contaminated type of food. So this type of symptoms are going to occur naturally. Okay children. More number of parents are going to show you this infertility process. Okay children. Next class we will continue this infertility in detail. Along with that we will see the last topic of the chapter. Okay children. I hope you people had understood the videos. Try to write the notes from the provided video. Write the important points, especially the STDs, very important. After that children, about the population, what is demography, that terminology you learn very nicely. And children, last year how you people had prepared the notes, try to prepare the notes in the same manner. Take the college copy for the notes preparation of biology, and for diagrams, take one small size that plain notebook, that is plain copy. In that draw the diagram and paste it wherever the diagrams are required. Okay children, thank you, take care.